This is a story about a little boy named Tom.
Good night, Teddy Bear.
Tom falls asleep quietly.
Rain is starting.
What was that sound?
Oh no! The thunder is so loud! I'm scared! Open! Open now! It won't open! Mom, I'm scared.
No monster! No monster!
Go away! Go away!
Tom doesn't like thunder. I must check on him. Tom.
Are you okay? Please come inside. Mommy is here.
There was a monster under my bed.
Wait, Diane.
See, no monster. It's just imagination.
This spider is brave, just like you.
It's not scary anymore. It was just my shirt. No way. You are very brave. I'm proud of you. SFX.
Click!
This will help you when you feel scared.
I have the power of light!
The storm is over. Good night, my love.
Good night, my love. Good night, Mom.
Be brave like Tom. Thank you for watching.